How do you identify imperative sentences? As you know, imperative sentences are types of sentences you have to understand in order to write correctly in your examination. Let us play ball. It's an imperative sentence in the sense you have to remember that if a sentence begins with let, that is an imperative imperative sentence, and don't go there. If a sentence begins with don't, imperative sentence, please go there, kindly go there, open the door. So if a sentence begins with main verb, that is go there, open the door, sit down, stand up, and if a sentence begins with either please or kindly or let or do not, that is simply an imperative sentence. So it's very easy to remember. I think this is a foolproof theory to remember what imperative sentences are. Imperative sentences, as I told you, if you come to the board and see what I've written, imperative sentence is otherwise known as directives. That means sometimes you have to request somebody, please go there, come here, sit down. And sometimes there is politeness in your sentence. So if a sentence begins with letters, as I've told you, kindly, please, main verb, and do not. So these are imperative sentences. And as you know that imperative sentences are otherwise known as the directives. And there is another type of imperative sentence that is called subhand imperative, that is please sit. Sit here, won't you? This is also imperative sentence, this is called subhand imperative. Shut the window, would you please? This is also imperative sentence. Exclamative, someone clean it, someone open the door. This is called your exclamative imperative sentences. I think you have already remembered what imperative sentences are. And then come to declarative sentence. Declarative sentence means in a sentence the subject must be put at the beginning of the sentence. I am writing here now. Types of sentences are a must for all of you students. So there are 4 types of sentences, that is your declarative, imperative, exclamative, and interrogative. Come to the board. He is happy. Here is the subject. So in the declarative sentences, you have to see that the subject is put at the beginning of the road. Of the sentence, that is, he is happy, she is sad, I am happy, I am teaching, you are learning, boys are playing, something like that. How happy is, exclamative mark is there. Sometimes questions comes, he is happy, turn it into exclamative sentence. So put it how at the beginning of the sentences and put that adjective. Just after that how, and put subject to the third person, and is at the last person, put the exclamatory mark. That is how happy is. She is very beautiful, how beautiful she is. I am very sad, how sad I am. So then comes to is he happy, question mark is there. So he is happy, so turn that verb to the front position, that is he happy. That is called interrogative sentences. Interrogative mark is there. What do you eat? Question mark is there. How do you go there? This is also called interrogative sentences. So remember, as you know that imperative sentences begins with let, do not, please, kindly, and main verb. Declarative sentence begins with the subject, as I have told you. Then how happy is, your exclamative sentence, is he happy, interrogative sentences. This is called yes no question. When a sentence begins with is or, this is called your yes no question, because answer can be yes, either yes or either no. Are you happy? Either make yes or no question or polar question. What do we eat? This is WH question. There are different types of questions you have to remember. So first remember and ask yourself, are you able to answer all the types of sentences, that is imperative, exclamatory, declarative or interrogative. So, Cyril, I am telling declarative, imperative, exclamatory, interrogative. I think you must practice it and see the miraculous effect you will have in the end. Thank you, Moses Cassius.